Could this become the next pandemic? A virus, so invisible in the air that just one breath could attack your lungs. The world first witnessed it during the Korean War. Soldiers suddenly began falling ill, and that's where the terrifying story of Hantavirus began. In 2026, a mysterious infection aboard a cruise ship once again caught the world's attention. Some people didn't just get sick, their lungs began filling from the inside. The real carrier of this virus isn't humans. It's wild rodents, mice, silently carrying death without ever appearing sick. Old cabins, closed rooms, dusty warehouses, places where rodents live, are where this invisible virus can drift through the air. Sometimes, all it takes is one mistake, cleaning without a mask, and then one infected breath. As soon as the virus enters the body, it travels directly to the most sensitive parts of the lungs, and that's where the internal attack begins. The virus invades your cells and starts multiplying rapidly. You may not even realize it, while the infection silently spreads. Then the body tries to fight back, but sometimes the immune response itself causes the greatest damage. It often begins with fever, body pain, and extreme weakness. At first, it feels like a normal flu, but the real danger is only beginning. Slowly, fluid starts building inside the lungs, oxygen levels begin to fall, and every breath becomes harder. Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, a condition where the lungs begin collapsing from the inside. Some patients must be rushed to the ICU oxygen support, emergency treatment, because the body can no longer breathe on its own. In most cases, this virus does not spread from human to human, but rare strains like the Andes virus have deeply concerned scientists. One of the most important warnings: never dry sweep rodent droppings. Disinfect first, then clean safely. Keeping homes clean, sealing cracks, and storing food properly remains the strongest protection. If symptoms are recognized early, treatment can save lives, but delays can become extremely dangerous. An invisible virus, reminding us that sometimes the greatest threat is the one we cannot see.